Croc.io is a wonderful collaboration tools for your video projects or any other projects that you want to create with it. But to even make this even more amazing, you can integrate this directly with Slack. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate or connect your Slack and Croc.io. All you have to do is click your account on the upper right, as you can see, and go to the settings. Go to the integrations tab, and here you have Slack. You click in that, and it will now take you over to Slack, where you will be able now to choose your workspace in Slack. And let's say you choose your workspace, you can even choose a channel for a webhook. It's really up to you. You can choose them. You have multiple. I'm gonna just say, for example, all tutorials, for example. Then click on allow, and you will realize that it loads right back into Croc.io, and you will say go to all projects, stay connected, and you will see right away that Slack is connected. So if I go back to my account on the upper right, go to settings, then go to integrations, you will see that Slack is connected. And if I would go to my Slack, you will see that Croc.io is also there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.